If you're an old man like me and you use Adobe Premiere, you may find that the preview window is too small, and there must be a better way to view that preview window. And there is. You can put it onto a second monitor. And to do that, once you're on the main screen you can see your timeline. We want to go to Edit in the top left corner, come down to where it says Preferences, and from there we want to go to Playback. Once you click on Playback, you'll have this little box down there which lists all the monitors that are connected to your PC. So our PC, we've got 4 screens, so we've got 4 monitors. If you're using a dual setup, you should see 2 monitors in there. And what we want to do is we want to put a tick in the box of the monitor that we want the preview to go on to. So in our case, it's monitor number 2. Click on OK. And what that does is that it puts the preview onto your second screen, so you can look full screen at what you're working with. If you found this tip useful, feel free to hit that like button. You can subscribe to us if you want to. Don't forget the notification bell. You can come and chat live with us as well. We live stream on Twitch on Wednesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, 5:30 UK time. You are welcome to come and get yourself involved.